Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. This is a part 2 of 45 plus paid Udemy course for free. If you haven't watched the part 1, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description and also subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. So let's get started. The next course is Microsoft Excel Masterclass for Business Manager. In this course, you will learn solid understanding of Microsoft Excel, knowledge of the all essential Excel formula, become a professional in Excel data tools like sorting, filtering, data validation, and data importing, master Excel most popular hookup function such as VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, and match, harness full potential of Excel by creating pivot table with slicer, make a great presentation using the conditional and table formatting option, visualize enhanced viewer using bar chart, scatter plot, histogram, waterfall chart, etc. Increase your efficiency by learning all of the create used to import in Excel shortcut, become a competent in use advanced analytics techniques in Excel such as regression, goal, cook, and solver. Learn automatic techniques learning by using micros. Explore the fun and exciting use cases of Excel in your bonus video. These courses in 4 hour on-demand video, 17 article, 40 downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, Excel modality, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is XLFREAPR. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Microsoft Excel for beginner to advanced. In this course, you will learn and build a solid understanding of the basic of Microsoft Excel, writing formula and performing calculation using functions like sum, VLOOKUP, if, average, index, match, and many more. Data analytics using chart and pivot table. Harness the full power of Microsoft Excel by automating your day-to-day tasks through Micros and VBA. This course is 3 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra modality, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 1551FD EB9C 635FC F1A7F. The coupon code of this course is valid for 1. The next course is MS Excel Excel 2021, the complete introduction to Excel. In this course, you will learn how to use properly Excel, how to build an app with Excel, understand the different theoretical concepts around the Microsoft Excel, practice what you have earned in different projects, understand how to use Excel in real life situation, improve your Microsoft Excel skill situation. These courses in 3 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, Excel modality, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 4A9DC2EBC2037973900F. The coupon of this course is valid for 1 day. The next course is Shopify Guide, the complete Shopify store creation course. In this course, you will learn how to build a Shopify store from scratch, understand how to run an e-commerce for your home, be able to improve your store, and many different things. Learn different tips and tricks, understand way to make your store more performant. These courses include 2.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra modality, and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is E7B8B530A5F0E46F6BE90. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is bookkeeping in QuickBook Online, bookkeeping and accounting. In this course, you will learn bookkeeping and accounting software. Use QuickBook Online to record revenue. Use QuickBook Online to record expense. Do journal entries in QuickBook Online. Use QuickBook Online to generate profit and loss statement and other reports. Use bank feed and reconcile bank account. Use payroll to pay your employees and contractor. These courses with 3.5 hour on-demand video, 3 downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, Excel modality, assignment, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is April QBO promotion. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Adobe Photoshop CC Crash Course. Learn Photoshop in 2 hours. In this course, you will learn essential Photoshop, color adjustment, blur and filter, text style, content aware and cropping, selection and masking, retouching. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is free underscore Photoshop underscore 2 hour. This course is the coupon code of this course is valid for 2 days. The next course is Ignite Your Podcast Power. In this course, you will learn foundation of podcast, social media marketing, business of podcast, creative exercise, personal web for podcast. This course includes 4.5 on-demand video, 13 article, 8 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra warranty, assigned and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is Podcast Freedom. This coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is E-commerce, sell product online free using free web store. In this course, you will learn complete setup for a free e-commerce store in 15 minutes, set up payment gateway for free, find and select great product to sell from your internet, testing your product performance, understand how to apply dropshipping model. This course is 1.5 hour divided by full lifetime access, external warranty and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is Freedom. The coupon is valid for 8 hours. The next course is Quality Management for Business Excel. In this course, you will learn the basic quality management knowledge that each employee is organized should have. Understand what makes some organization best state-class organization. How to take the quality of your product or service to a next level. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 6 article, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra variety and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is APR-2021-4. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Passive Income for Dropshipping on Dropshipping Service 10x3. In this course, you will learn passive income dropship serving online business 10 times better than dropshipping. How we learn web development with web. You will learn web development with WordPress to create a professional, beautiful response and responsive drop servicing website. You will learn to the strategy for getting client for free for your drop servicing website. You will learn how to receive work orders, receive payment, dealing the freelancer and more. You will learn how to create a affiliate marketing system on the drop server website to make a more sale. You will learn how profitable is dropping service compared to dropshipping for passive income. These courses include 5 on-demand video, 5 articles, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is last-free-giveaway. The coupon code is valid for 1 day. The next course is Freelancing 37 ways to make money from home as a freelancer. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 9E9C2F37F0907BEA6CA. The coupon is valid for 12 hours. The next course is Quantity Surveying Templates for Effective Cost Management. In this course, you will learn quantitative surveying, post-contract cost management, payment track, payment application, material on-site, payment tracker, variant, claim management, bank guarantee, price comparison sheet, procurement, contract administration, contract management. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 8 article, full lifetime access, extra warranty and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is QSTEMPAPR free. The coupon code of this course is valid for 1 day. The next course is Customer Experience Management, Brand Purpose and Leadership. In this course, you will learn how to define a brand purpose that will be experienced for your customer experience and align your organization. This course is one on-demand video for downloadable resources, full life access, exam warranty and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is 9A1AD77E9B26D P53D19. The coupon is valid for 1 day. This is a part 2 of the Today Udemy course. Part 3 will be coming soon. Watch the video and apply the coupon on the course and enroll as soon as possible. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.